part 2 of our adventure for the day. You see that? Well, actually, 5 years ago, there was no car like that. So it just so happens that people are so creative that they're able to make that kind of car. What are you doing?
I got a shot of it already.
Follow me. So, what do you call this?
Mani. No, water lily, are you kidding me?
Lotus.
This is kangkong.
No, this is lotus. Oh, that's kamote.
Okay, kanya-kanya na lang tayo. Anyway. Tanungin natin ang Filipino teacher.
Kamote yan, alam ko. Sabi ni teacher.
Kamote Q kayo. Okay, mga kababayan, pansinin po ninyo, ang lugar po na ito ay parang nagre-resemble ng Parthenon. Parthenon.
Bakit?
Nakakatakot.
Boom!
Tapos sino yung mga niyog dito? Nakakatakot kasi namamatay na sila.
Dahil sa pesteng tinatawag na Coco Lisa. Coco Lisa. Oh, you got it.
Magaling. Dahil dyan, bigyan ng jacket! Ayan. Mansinin nyo.
Sarap mag-surf.
Ano, teacher?
Lakas talaga ng alon. You know, the waves are suitable for surfing. Look at the waves.
Okay. Very good.
What is wave?
Nasaan na yung kasama natin dalawang lalaki?
Well, actually, wala tayong kasamang lalaki.
Meron, baliw. Ayun o, naka-yellow sila.
Dinala nila yung gamit nila para mag-swim.
Mga kaibigan.
Lakad mode sa buhangin. You know, it's like...
At naka-dress to kill po si Teacher Ella. Yan. Kapag sneakers po siya, dress to kill po yan.
Teacher Ella.
Yan.
Well, it's what we call fashion.
Fashion victim. Okay, bye for now.